Okay, guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whatever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share. Right? Hit the subscribe button right here. You're welcome. Yeah. Good evening and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM news update. Today, Tuesday, the 17th day of December 2024, and the time is 5 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Efan Shuku Ekeze is my name. The headlines. Soludo backs award for huge investments in healthcare. Governor Mba launches Enugu State Geographic Information System. Task force neutralizes four suspected terrorists in Imo. Abia Airport. Police confirm elder statesman's arrest. Ademola Lookman wins CAF African Footballer of the Year. Trump says it was stupid for Biden to let Ukraine use US weapons to strike deeper into Russia. Now, details.